Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3-set info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage corner speed reduction on your Suzuki. So I am on the Suzuki e-VTera. Here what are we going to do is we're going to go to Settings, go to ADAS, and from here we want to go to the ACC and speed limiter. Make sure to tap twice to skip this video animation, and here we need to scroll all the way to the bottom, which is right here. Here we have our corner speed reduction, and we can change it between low and high. Here you can also turn it off completely. And this is for our speed limiters, of course. And we can just do it high. Now we can do mid and low. It's totally up to you what you choose here. You have to find your own setting that you feel comfortable with. And that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.